In today's video, I'm going to share with you the main differences between gumbo and etouffee. These two irresistible New Orleans dishes are very different and often get mistaken. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share simple and delicious family-friendly recipes. You should also know that I've been living in New Orleans since 2000 and I'm married to someone born and raised here, so making both of these dishes well was practically a requirement. So if you're just trying to figure out which one is which, I'll tell you that there are 4 main differences in each dish. The first one is the flavor differences. While both use what we call the Holy Trinity in New Orleans of onion, celery, and bell pepper plus garlic, and similar seasonings of paprika and cayenne, the etouffee is a tomato-based recipe and the gumbo is not. Number 2 is the proteins added. Classic etouffee uses seafood proteins such as shrimp or crawfish, while gumbo is so versatile that you can include chicken and seafood and sausage like andouille, and often a mix of it all. Number 3 is the color of the roux. The biggest difference between the two is the starter or the base of the recipe. Gumbo has a dark copper brown roux that takes much longer to achieve, while etouffee is a lighter brown color, just long enough to cook the flour in the oil. Plus, there's also the tomato base. Number 4 is the consistency and thickness. Gumbo is a rich soup with an almost stew-like consistency, while etouffee is red in color and thicker in texture, almost like a gravy. All right, so now that you know the differences between the two, let's see how they're made and show you how they're different in cooking. Now, gumbo is a rich stew full of Louisiana flavors and spices. It starts by making a roux, a thick flour and oil base that's cooked slowly until it achieves a dark brown copper-like color. Once the roux is ready, then a mix of vegetables is added. Now, we call it the Holy Trinity of onion, celery, and peppers plus seasonings. It all goes in there. And the gumbo is super versatile, so it can be made with chicken and sausage, seafood, sausage and seafood, or chicken only. The possibilities are endless. Gumbo is a filling and hearty meal. Now, etouffee is a thick tomato-based dish. Fun fact, is a French word that means smothered, which makes sense since it's served over rice, as in the etouffee smothers the rice. Now, like gumbo, the etouffee also starts with the roux, but this one is much lighter in color and it's cooked just long enough to build a thick base for the flour to cook. And it also includes the trinity of vegetables of onion, celery, and peppers, and similar seasonings. But after that, you add the tomato base plus your protein, whether it's crawfish or shrimp, and it's ladled over a generous amount of cooked rice. Now, below this video, you're gonna find the recipes for both the gumbo and the etouffee, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you guys next time.